SILMA SAKIN. I'm going to talk about let's plant trees. Trees are a significant element in our lives. Not just significant but call it essential. It's hard to imagine survival without trees and plants. The whole ecosystem relies on trees. The genesis of food chain begins from plants. We get oxygen from trees. We see trees all around us. The most common ones we see around us are mango tree, jack tree and banyan tree. The common plants called be similarly aloe vera plant, tulsi plant, etc. Plants and trees make our lives smoother, and the importance of trees in our lives are very much. A lot of plants and trees have medicinal properties. A lot of herbal plants are used for treatments. The universal example could be of tulsi and aloe vera plant. Living without trees is an impossible situation, not just for humans but for all species. Planting trees can be started from our houses. We can start by planting fruits and herbal plants. Other things that's also important in green action is maintaining the trees. Trees need fertilizer, water and care. Planting and maintaining should go hand in hand so that trees will grow well. Let's plant trees and keep them grow green and fresh. Thank you to listen my speech.